What are the symptoms of BMW X5 DME failure? Simply put, DME or digital motor electronic is an engine management computer. It essentially controls the following things: spark plug firing timing, fuel injection timing, air intake system operation, and a variety of other things. If it goes out, your car will battle all sorts of engine drama. Luckily, diagnosing a malfunctioning DME is not that difficult. How to know if your BMW X5 DME is going out? Check engine light is on. If your check engine light is on, it could be due to a malfunctioning DME. So, have it checked out by a reliable mechanic to determine the cause. Engine is hard to start. If your BMW X5 is taking longer to start, it could be due to a problem with the DME. To diagnose the exact issue, get your engine tested sooner rather than later. Frequent engine stalling. If your engine is stalling frequently, something within your DME is probably at fault. Listed below are a few other reasons why your car may stall frequently: worn out spark plugs, clogged fuel injectors, clogged air filter, engine misfiring. The DME is responsible for controlling different aspects of the engine operation. If it goes out, your car engine will run rough and misfire. Bad gas mileage. Is your BMW X5 consuming more fuel than usual? Because, if so, this could be the sign of a malfunctioning DME. Wrapping up. DME is something that makes your car engine a controlled source of power. Therefore, you need to ensure the upkeep of your BMW X5 DME.